Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you from Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam, and good morning to all my friends in Asia, and good evening to all my friends and family back in the US, guys, in Canada, and all my friends in Europe. You guys still probably sleepy. So, guys, this is a great day, guys. We're seeing a lot of positive news around. We're seeing that, this whole flush out, this whole negative down scenario we're seeing in the markets, and not only in the crypto markets but in the broader markets, it's kind of come to an end. We're going to talk about what is some really huge catalysts for Dogecoin. We got some really huge catalysts for Dogecoin, some really huge good news, guys. It's about time that we've heard some good news for the Dogecoin community. So, guys, with that being said, let's jump into the content. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, the vanilla ice baby of crypto, guys. And I just want to say it's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the content without further delay. And remember, none of this content is financial advice. This is just the OG offering his opinion, and this is for educational purposes only. And don't forget, guys, to smash up the likes like you mean it. Smash up those likes. Show some love for the OG. And don't forget to subscribe, BYB in the house. And guys, don't forget to go to my merchandise. We got tons of merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of stuff. And guys, if you buy any merch and you take a picture and send it to me, I'm going to feature your picture on the next video, guys. So get doing that, and you can send the pictures to Twitter. So follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. So let's take a look at the pre-market. So it looks like the pre-markets in the US are also looking pretty green. So we could be having another green day all over crypto markets today. So things are looking pretty good in Asia. We can see right now that the total market cap right now is it's looking pretty good. We're at 1.97 trillion. We can see that the fear and greed has come up from where it was. It was 21 yesterday, and now we've gone from extreme fear, chaos, end of the world stuff, and now we're at 27. So things are looking pretty good. And if we look at our overall rainbow chart, we're still pretty much in the hollow phase, and we just can't seem to break out of this rut. We're just in this rut in the center line, guys. So let's talk about some of the really good news. So basically, the AMC CEO suggests that Dogecoin will be accepted as theaters. They really have no choice. As you guys saw yesterday, that there was Adam Armstrong. He had this whole a thing that went out and was asking people, do you want to accept Dogecoin and this and that. So 140,000 people said, yeah, we definitely want the Dogecoin. And I did tell you in previous videos that they will be accepting Dogecoin. This is just kind of like a marketing thing, right? They wanted to build some hype and build some stuff around it. And so this is really good news and bullish news. And this is just one of the catalysts that we're seeing for Dogecoin. So I really think that, this is one of the tipping points. And we got other really good news that's coming in. So basically 140,000 people were voted, and 68% said, yeah, they want Dogecoin. And then Aaron went on to say, I never thought that I would see a day that Elon Musk liked my Dogecoin Twitter poll. And he said that, congratulations to Mr. Musk on the Tesla and SpaceX, and I have strived to be an innovator my entire career, but you, sir, are the epitome of innovation above all. So he's really, praising Elon Musk and, SpaceX thing. It's very funny that the current government in the White House, they never said congratulations to Elon Musk having the SpaceX go around the Earth for a couple of days, and this was the first real civilian mission to go to outer space. I mean, when we had Bezos and the other guys just went up for 1 or 2 minutes and came back down. That's not going to space. But I must say that hats off to Elon, because the SpaceX did go to space. It did circle the Earth a couple of times. So for me, in my book, that's a thumbs up, and that's definitely considered going to outer space. But Bezos and Sir Richard whatever, and they flit it up and come down. That's not going to space, guys. So and then Adam really replies, so fascinating. Dogecoin poll was by far my highest ever tweet, blah blah blah, and in 24 hours 4.2 million views. So basically, he's going to have no choice but to go ahead and accept Dogecoin, because if he doesn't accept Dogecoin, there's going to be a huge backlash. So Adam, I think you're going to be making the right choice, and I believe that they're probably going to roll out the Dogecoin acceptance way before they accept Litecoin and all the other coins are not. And I did tell you this is going to happen, guys. I told you it was going to happen. I had an inside source. So this was just, they were building up the hype, building up the momentum, getting all this out there. Now, boom! So now it's happening, guys. So some other huge news for finally. Let's go to and there's two stories about it. Let's go to a whole bunch of stories about it as well. So the other huge news is Robinhood to debut crypto wallets next month, and things you can do with it. So basically, the news is, as I said, Robinhood, they were doing their beta testing already, and they have decided that in October they're going to roll out their crypto wallets finally. So you, Joe Public, Joe Nancy, you're going to have custody of your own cryptocurrency, control of your own cryptocurrency, so you'll be able to send things on and off. And I think this is really huge for Doge, because as you guys know, when it comes to cryptocurrencies and fees, Robinhood is making a lot of money on the fees and transaction fees of the Dogecoin customers. So I think this will propel Doge to its next level, and I believe that once those wallets come out, we're probably going to see a huge spike in the Dogecoin price, because we're going to see things going uppity up, because people are actually going to start to be able to move their Doge around. I mean, in the short term, I don't think it's going to be good for Robinhood, because a lot of people who are still feeling the pain from all their outages and this and that, they're probably going to get their crypto out of there and exit and go to another platform. So I think in the short term, you probably could see this is going to be a bad thing for Robinhood, good thing for us and the customers, but over time it's going to be it's going to make the platform more robust and more mainstream. And I think in the long term it's going to be good for Robinhood, but in the short term it won't be good for Robinhood. But definitely it will also have the other effect, is that a lot of new customers who are thinking about what exchange should I get into, they're probably going to be should I go to eToro, should I go to Robinhood, should I go to Coinbase? It will draw more customers in because they have that utility of actually having the custody of their own crypto. So that's really huge. So with the AMC, with the Robinhood, these are two catalysts that I really think are just huge news for the Doge community. Doge to the moon, guys. And I think that we could be seeing a huge spike in the Dogecoin price very soon. So we're going to jump into the TA for Doge and Bitcoin and talk about that in a second. Some other news that's coming out. So this is getting back to this whole crypto market soar after Fed commits to printing and Evergrande plans to pay its debt. So the two big news here is that the Fed has agreed to continue its stimulus package, and it's still going to commit to propping up the financial system by buying treasury bonds and notes and stuff. So that's really good. And the other big news is that China has committed to China has committed to paying its obligations and to avoid defaulting. So this is really good. So it looks like the Chinese government is absolutely, as I said yesterday, they're planning on to bail out Evergrande, and that's going to be really good for all the broader markets. And that's why we're seeing that yesterday the Nasdaq, the Dow, and everything popped up because it was a calming event, guys. It was really a calming event. So we avoid this whole domino crisis, and I guess the central government over there, they really have no choice, because if they had just let this thing tank, it would have been a domino effect, and you would have seen more companies tank, and it wouldn't be good for the sovereignty or anything. So that's really good. And we saw Bitcoin hit a daily high of 44,000. So that's really good news. So I mean, my portfolio is everything is in the green today. So I'm really happy about that. So I hopefully all of my peeps and all my communities and everybody out there, you had time to dollar cost average, guys. I still think there's still a good time to dollar cost average, guys, because I think, as I said, that things are going to start to go parabolic very soon, very shortly. So you guys just have to. It's still a good time to DCA and dollar cost average, guys. So let's get into it. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So the total market cap, as I said earlier, is 1.92 trillion. So we're painting some green today. So that's pretty good. Green everywhere, guys. So that's pretty good. And and once again, just to remind you that December is often a very much a Debbie Downer month. So this month is coming to a close really soon, guys. So that's great news. And right now it's the 23rd of September here in Vietnam, and it's around about 9:30 a.m. So things are looking pretty good here. So hopefully we can get through this month. And I think that Plan B, he's absolutely right. When he says that we're gonna close this month at 43K, I really believe that is what's going to happen. We're going to close the month exactly at 43K, and October 63 coming in, and of course when Bitcoin hits 63, we're going to see all the other old coins just pumped, guys. So that's really good news. So let's take a look at the U.S. dollar on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday I did draw this. Remember, we have to have the dump before the pump, or the dump before the bump. So what we're actually seeing right now is we're actually seeing that playing out exactly as I predicted. You know, we had this whole descending line, this descending wedge line, and this is the dump before the pump. This is a very classic TA signal, and you know, and I believe that what we're seeing now is a S-shaped recovery. So it's just going to go. We're going to start going to the moon, guys. So I believe that we're probably going to see 44,000 coming in, which is my next resistance line, about 44,600 coming in really soon, really shortly, and that could be here even as early as a weekend, guys. So buckle up, get ready for that. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin has gone up. It went up almost over 5%, guys. Went up to 44K. Sure, we dropped down a little bit, but you know, things are looking pretty good and pretty bullish overall, guys. So if we look at the Bitcoin dollar on the weekly right now, we have the 21-day EMA. So it looks like if we continue with this momentum, we can get ourselves above 44,200. Then that should signal that we're above that the yellow EMA, the 21-day EMA trend line. So that's really good. It's really bullish, guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. The things are looking pretty good. So I just want to say congratulations to all my friends in the America. You guys did not fumble the ball. I told you that don't do that. So I was happy. I woke up this morning and I didn't go HE double hockey sticks or anything like that. It's like, yeah, you guys did. You guys pulled it off. So I'm very happy about that, guys. I love it. I love it. Love it. So let's take a look at the Doji in the house right now. The Doge in the house. Let me just adjust the time frame for you so you can see it and get these charts out there. So you can see right now that Doge is, you know, we're painting. This is on the 1 hour time frame, by the way, just in case you're wondering what it is. So it looks like Doge is at 22 cents right now, and that's looking pretty good. We're above our we're above our 22 cent support level, so that's pretty good. And you know, we did earlier a couple hours ago, we did see Dogecoin hit a high of 23 cents. So it looks like Doge is you know, going to be a comeback kid, and I think that we will probably clear, hopefully by this weekend, we'll see ourselves going back up to 23 cents. Let's take a look at the Doge on the 4 hour and see what kind of pattern, what kind of formation we're getting there. Let me just adjust that for you, because sometimes these charts don't like the OG. When I'm doing these videos, they just kind of like going. So it looks like we got you know, we got a really nice formation. You know, this could be a cup and handle formation, and if that happens, we should see ourselves break out the upside, guys. So things are looking pretty good, and you know, I'm forecasting we could easily be over 23 cents by the weekend, and it's Thursday here, so that's not too shabby, guys. So things are looking pretty good. So you guys should be so excited. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Let me just adjust that chart for you guys. So it looks like Ethereum as well has it's just broken out of this neckline that I had drawn earlier. Let me turn that to 4 hours for you and make it a little easier so we can see all the trends in the neckline there for you. So you can see here that you know, Ethereum, we had this kind of, you know, we had this whole breakdown, and we had this W pattern. It was looking good really before. I talked about that in the past, and then we broke down, and things are looking pretty good right now, guys. And it looks like you know, we're forming a nice pattern, and we're about to break out. We've actually broken out past that previous neckline, so that's really looking pretty bullish over there. And this area here of 3,000, we did drop below 3,000, and we wicked all the way down below 2,700, but we had some strong support there. We did go below 28.2, but it looks like we've you know, this has now become really strong support right now. So this is looking very bullish and very healthy right now. So I need to turn that green. So it looks like, you know, we're seeing recovery across all broader markets. So my next target, next resistance level is about 3,100. I think we'll probably get it back up there by this weekend. So things are looking pretty good. Looks like we're having an S-shaped recovery overall in all the markets. So this is looking really good. So let's take a look at the fees right now for Ethereum. So the fees are really cheap. So this is a good time to do any kind of swaps. Get on Uniswap or PancakeSwap or something like that. And you guys should check out PancakeSwap. They've got you know, liquidity pools and stuff on their thing. So go to, you know, do a search for PancakeSwap. Check it out, guys. I bought some Pancake yesterday, some Pancake tokens. It's on the BSC chain, and you know, I'm basically farming those tokens right now. And let me me just show you what that looks like. So you can see right now, you can see that if you go to Pancake Swap and you have this auto cake, and you can actually, it's basically staking, and you're getting 80% APY, guys. So I bought a whole bunch of Pancake Swap yesterday, and I had it in my Trust wallet, and then I connect my Trust wallet to here. Very simple, guys. And then when you do that, you're getting 80% APY, guys. So it's a really a no-brainer. Go check it out. Go check out Pancake Swap, guys, and you're gonna love it. So it's really pretty good, guys. Sorry about the wind in the background, but I'm outside right now. So let's take a look at ADA in the house right now. So ADA in the house is trading at $2.21, and this is really good, guys. We've absolutely gone up past my $2.15, which was resistance level before, and now that's turned green, guys. So that's really a positive sign that things are looking pretty good for Cardano. Let's switch that to a 4-hour chart, and let's take that dark. Like let's go into dark mode. Let's go into the dark mode. Let's go into the darkness right now, guys. So that's going to be easier for you guys to take a look at that. So you can see right now that Cardano in the house is looking pretty bullish right now. We had this descending wedge that I drew a couple days ago, and it looks like we're going to attempt to break past that. So it's looking pretty good. Where do I see Cardano going by the weekend? I think we could safely see ourselves going up to 230, 240. So things are looking pretty bullish as well. So that's really nice. Let's take a look at Solana. Let me just change that to 4 hours for you. Let's do it. So Solana is looking pretty good. Remember, I drew this descending wedge, and it looks like we're about to break out of that descending wedge. So things are looking pretty good, and we're $146. We're well above my line in the sand. So Charles, my Bitcoin, Charles, my Biddy, he's in good graces right now, because I was getting pretty upset with Charles, my Bitcoin, because he was not performing, but things are looking good for Solana. So Solana holds in the house, and let's look at Avalanche in the house. Avalanche is also looking pretty good. It's at $75, guys. So it looks like we're pumpity pump. All the old coins are just on fire right now. So let's jump into the market marks right now without any further delay. So right now our total market cap is $2 trillion. So we're going up, guys. Sorry about the wind. And total volumes are 93.89. So this is really good. The volumes have come down, so it means we're cooling off. So there's less panic selling. There's less craziness out there. So this is really looking good. So I'm feeling a good vibe from the market right now. So hopefully you guys are feeling a good vibe too. So let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house. Bitcoin is at $43,528, and that's up 3.32%. And we want to see the green. Ethereum is over $3,000. So yeah, Ethereum in the house, and that's at $7,331, guys. I love it. You love it. And Cardano is up almost 10%, guys, and that's at $2.24. BNB is at $376.86, and that's up 7%. I love it. And Solana in the house is up almost 13%, guys. Congratulations. DOT is on fire right now. It's up almost 14.49%, and Doge is up 8%, guys, and that's at 22 cents, guys. Avalanche is on fire, up 24.78%. Luna is on fire, up 29%. Link is up. Algorand is up, guys. Atom is up. So all of the Matic is up. So if you guys bought the dip, like I had told you to in all these projects that I'm calling out, that is up. You guys will be making bank right now. So if you had guys that bought the dip, and I went dippy, so I'm up on average. I take all the dips I bought, and I'm up like 15 to 17%. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it in the house, guys. So with that being said, so if you look at the OG portfolio in the house, we're up almost 40% right now. Remember, this portfolio is not for financial advice. This portfolio is only for educational purposes only. And right now, the portfolio is looking pretty good right now. And we're at $2,000 in profit, and we're at $7,000 of total portfolio value. So that's really good news, guys. So let's take a look at everything is looking good, guys. So it's fantastic time to be alive. Everything looking uppity up, guys. So guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I've got 2,305 followers. And guys, follow me on Twitter. If you're not getting notifications from YouTube, follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. And don't forget to smash that likes. Tell the algorithm that you smash those like you mean it, guys. And subscribe, everybody. Check out all my links below. Check out my linky winkies. And remember, no, this is financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. You know you want to do it. Go to Zen Music Addict. And this is a wife channel. Hit the subscribe button. This is a great channel. Relaxing. Get the relaxed vibe, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Do it for the OG. Show some love. And remember, go to Patreon, support the channel, buy the channel a coffee, and check out my merch one more time. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got polo shirts. Check out the merch. You guys, you know you want it. You guys know that you love it. And don't forget to get the hat. The hats are back, guys. We got the Crypto Day Trading bucket hats are back. Get the mug full of happiness. If you want to fill your life with happiness, get the mug right now. So I just want to say, God bless all of you. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Let's get it, guys. It's a great time to be alive.